Welcome to a Peernet tutorial for Document Conversion Service, DCS for short. In this video, we will review how to create and edit Document Conversion Service conversion profiles. The command line tools and net conversion library included with DCS use a profile file, what we call a conversion profile, to instruct DCS on which settings to use for the output file. If you are using the command line tools in your workflow or are programming in .NET with the Convert utility library, you have the option to use one of our 64 pre-configured profiles or to create your own. You can find the pre-configured profiles by selecting Start, Document Conversion Service, Open Conversion Profile folder. If one of these profiles matches what you want as your output file, then you can use that profile. If you need to modify a profile to get the type of output file you want, begin by making a copy of the profile that is close to what you want to create, rename the file as desired, and edit the copy. For example, if we want to create a profile for a TIFF 150 dpi monochrome serialized, we could copy the existing TIFF 200 dpi monochrome serialized and rename the file to TIFF 150 dpi monochrome serialized. To edit the file, we'll open it in Notepad. As you can see, a profile is made up of a collection of name-value pairs used to describe the type of output file being created. There is a large collection of settings available for controlling the output file type, how the files are converted, e-discovery options to manipulate documents, and many more features. If you need help configuring your profile, contact Peernet support at support@peernet.com and we'd be happy to help. In the profile we copied, our changes are simple. The output file format is already set to TIFF serialized. The color reduction is black and white. We only need to change the resolution from 200 to 150. Then we can save our new profile and it is ready to be used. A simple way to test a profile, whether it is one of our 64 pre-configured profiles or a profile you have created yourself, is to use our desktop conversion apps. We offer two variations: Convert a File or Drop Files Converter. Let's test out our new TIFF 150 dpi monochrome serialized profile using the Drop Files Converter. First, let's make sure DCS is running. For instructions on starting up DCS and verifying it is operating correctly, see our Starting and Verifying DCS video, which is the third video in our DCS Getting Started tutorial series. Begin by opening the Drop Files Converter app by selecting Start, Document Conversion Service, Drop Files Converter. Select the profile you'd like applied to the output file. In this example, we will use TIFF 150 dpi monochrome serialized. Enter the path where you'd like to save the output file in the Save in this folder field. Then drag and drop the file you'd like converted into the app. You can then access your converted file in the output location you specified. Once you have confirmed the conversion is creating the output file you want, then you can integrate your new conversion profile into your automated workflow using our command line tools or a .NET library utility. There are many ways to integrate DCS into your workflow. Watch our Ways DCS Can Work For You video to choose the method best for your organization. In addition to command line tools and the .NET library utility, we offer our watch folder service, which you can learn more about in our Set Watch Folder Files and Edit Watch Folder Settings videos. The best way to learn about Document Conversion Service is by trying it out yourself. Download our free trial and follow our Getting Started tutorial series for easy setup. We are always available to help with configuration and answer any questions you have about setup or the product. If you are looking for an enterprise solution to streamline your business processes and boost efficiency, our document conversion service is right for you. If you haven't done so already, follow the link below and download your free trial.